Question 1. Which of the following represent the acronyms of age groups? Option A. Skip pies. Option B. Dinks. Option C. Puppies. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 2. Pricing is significant for firms because. Option A. It determines revenues generated by the firms. Option B. It determines profits earned by the firms. Option C. It affects the level of funds available for other element of marketing mix. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 3. A collecting bank gets statutory protection under. Option A. RBI Act. Option B. Banking Regulation Act. Option C. Negotiable Instruments Act. Option D. Indian Contract Act. Answer C. Negotiable Instruments Act. Question 4. B is payee of a check, who endorses it to C. C lost the check which is found by D, who endorses it in favor of A for valuable consideration by way of forging C signatures. The check is dishonored. A can recover from. Option A. B. Option B. C. Option C. D. Option D. Any of the previous parties. Answer C. D. Question 5. A customer has a SB account and her husband had withdrawn the money from the bank on the basis of forged checks at various occasions, but the customer did not object to it. After his death, she comes to bank and demands the money. Option A. Bank would refer the matter to the court. Option B. Bank is liable on forged checks. Option C. The bank is negligent but not liable, as the customer is party to the forgery and did not inform the bank in time. Option D. Loss shall be borne in the ratio of 50:50 by the bank and the customer. Answer B. Bank is liable on forged checks. Question 6. Suspicious transactions to be submitted to FIU within of arriving at conclusion. Option A. 3 days. Option B. 7 days. Option C. 15 days. Option D. 30 days. Answer B. 7 days. Question 7. Except one of the following others are non-fund based facilities. Option A. Letters of credit. Option B. Bank guarantees. Option C. Co-acceptance of bills. Option D. Trust receipt. Answer D. Trust receipt. Question 8. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A. Price exists in different forms for products of different nature. Option B. Price affects the consumer behavior in deciding about acquiring the product. Option C. Price is the only element that produces revenues. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 9. Which of the following cannot part of a product line? Option A. Literal. Option B. Lux. Option C. Ren. Option D. Dove. Answer C. Ren. Question 10. Example of duplex mode of communication is. Option A. Radio broadcast. Option B. Walkie-talkie. Option C. 4-wire modems. Option D. All of the above. Answer C. 4-wire modems. Question 11. Which one doesn't come under plastic money? Option A. Credit card. Option B. Charge card. Option C. Debit card. Option D. None of these. Answer. D. None of these. Question 12. The T-bill is quoted at a discount price to the PAR value of Rs. Option A 10. Option B. 100. Option C. 1000. Option D. 10,000. Answer. B. 100. Question 13. The features of the award awarded by Banking Ombudsman are. Option A. It is binding on the banks. Option B. It is not binding on the complainants unless B accepts it. Option C. The complaint is free to seek alternative remedies available under general law. Option D. All the above. Answer. D. All the above. Question 14. Registered Office of M/SXYZ Ltd Co. is at New Delhi. This company wants to enter into an MOU with a Chennai-based company. Managing Director of M/SXYZ Co. Ltd will be visiting Chennai next month in this respect. What will you suggest him regarding common seal? Option A. To carry original common seal to Chennai. Option B. To carry facsimile of the common seal to Chennai. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. Neither A nor B. Answer. A. To carry original common seal to Chennai. Question 15. Using an existing brand name to launch new or modified products in a new category is called as. Option A. Line extension. Option B. Brand extension. Option C. Multi-brands. Option D. New brands. Answer. B. Brand extension. Question 16. Comet permits free format messages of lines of characters each. Option A. 636. Option B. 7,48. Option C. 8,48. Option D. 9,56. Answer. C. 8,48. Question 17. A and B are maintaining an E or S account. D has been named as nominee. Both A and B die in an accident. C, son of A, produces a court order restraining the bank from making payment from the account. What action you will take? Option A. Payment will be made jointly to legal heirs of A and B. Option B. Payment will be made to C. Option C. Payment to D will be a valid discharge to bank's liability. Option D. Payment to D will be stopped. Answer. D. Payment to D will be stopped. Question 18. Normally coaxial cables can carry signals at. Option A. 100 megabit/SEC. Option B. 500 megabit/SEC. Option C. 2 gigabit/SEC. Option D. 5 gigabit/SEC. Answer. B. 500 megabit/SEC. Question 19. In housing loan, if ME is not paid on due date, penal interest at % will be charged normally. Option A2. Option B3. Option C4. Option D5. Answer. A2. Question 20. Book debts can be financed by. Option A. Factoring. Option B. Forfeiting. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. Question 21. Indone was set up by. Option A. RBI. Option B. CMC Ltd. Option C. TCS. Option D. None of the above. Answer. B. CMC Ltd. Question 22. BankNet was set up by. Option A. EBA. Option B. RBI. Option C. Central government. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. RBI. Question 23. Within how many days particulars of charge should be filed with Registrar of Companies from the date of creation of charge? Option A. 30 days. Option B. 45 days. Option C. 60 days. Option D. 90 days. Answer A. 30 days. Question 24. Coins are issued by Option A. RBI. Option B. Government of India. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer B. Government of India. Question 25. A collaborative network that uses internet technology to link business with their suppliers is Option A. Internet. Option B. Intranet. Option C. Extranet. Option D. WAN. Answer C. Extranet. Question 26. Cash flow statements deals with Option A. Cash funds. Option B. Non-cash funds. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Both A and B. Question 27. Your bank receives a check in inward clearing which has not been signed by the account holder. Which one of the following reasons you will select to return the check? Option A. Check is not signed by the payee. Option B. Refer to the drawer. Option C. Check is not signed by the drawee. Option D. Check is not signed by the endorsee. Answer B. Refer to the drawer. Question 28. Universal banking means Option A. International banking. Option B. Wholesale banking. Option C. Offering multiple financial products. Option D. All of the above. Answer C. Offering multiple financial products. Question 29. Which of the following are involved in the growth strategies of a company? I. Intensification. 2. Diversification. 3. Horizontal integration. Option A. Only, I, and 2. Option B. Only, I, and 3. Option C. Only, 2, and 3. Option D. I, 2, and 3. Answer C. Only, 2, and 3. Question 30. Concept of bank computerization practically started after Option A. 1970 to 71. Option B. 1973 to 74. Option C. 1981 to 82. Option D. 1983 to 84. Answer C. 1981 to 82. Question 31. A communication processor that connects to similar networks by providing the translation from one set of protocol to another is Option A. Bridge. Option B. Gateway. Option C. Router. Option D. Modem. Answer B. Gateway. Question 32. Percent of small enterprises advances should go to micro enterprises in case of domestic banks. Option A. 20. Option B. 40. Option C. 60. Option D. 80. Answer C. 60. Question 33. The first pillar under Basel II is Option A. Market discipline. Option B. Disclosure norms. Option C. Minimum capital requirement. Option D. Supervisory review. Answer. C. Minimum capital requirement. Question 34. A bill is payable to or to order of a non-trading firm. Endorsement can be made by option A. Any partner of the firm. Option B. All the partners. Option C. Authorized partner through power of attorney. Option D. Any two partners. Answer B. All the partners. Question 35. The term allonge refers to option A. A plain sheet appended to a negotiable instrument for the purpose of making endorsement thereon. Option B. Conditional endorsement of a negotiable instrument. Option C. A plain sheet appended to a will. Option D. Enclosures to the balance sheet of the bank. Answer A. A plain sheet appended to a negotiable instrument for the purpose of making endorsement thereon. Question 36. If in a check, amount stated in words and figure are not same, then option A. Amount stated in words shall be paid. Option B. Amount stated in figure shall be paid. Option C. Check should be returned with reason amount in words and figure differs. Option D. Any one of the above. Answer A. Amount stated in words shall be paid. Question 37. The Bankers' Fair Practice Code in 2004 was brought by option A. Government of India. Option B. BSPI. Option C. EBA. Option D. RBI. Answer C. EBA. Question 38. Which was the first mutual fund started in India? Option A. SBI Mutual Fund. Option B. Kotak Pioneer Mutual Fund. Option C. Unit Trust of India. Option D. Indian Bank Mutual Fund. Answer C. Unit Trust of India. Question 39. The main reason for rejection should be conveyed in writing if the loan application is up to Rs. Option A. 1 lakh. Option B. 2 lakhs. Option C. 3 lakhs. Option D. 5 lakhs. Answer B. 2 lakhs. Question 40. Call money means money lent/borrowed between banks and entities like TEST4. Option A. 1 day. Option B. 2 to 14 days. Option C. More than 14 days. Option D. None of these. Answer A. 1 day. Question 41. A banker is expected to honor the checks within the specified banking hours as per section of NI Act 1881. Option A. 22. Option B. 25. Option C. 31. Option D. 65. Answer D. 65. Question 42. Which of the following is not the pricing strategy? Option A. Geographical pricing. Option B. Psychological pricing. Option C. Product mix pricing. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 43. Which of the following is /R tool, S, for promotion mix? Option A. Advertising. Option B. Public relations. Option C. Direct marketing. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question 44. Which one of the following inputs accounts for the largest percentage share in the total cost of all inputs in Indian agriculture? Option A. Feed for livestock. Option B. Seed. Option C. Irrigation charges. Option D. Chemical fertilizers. Answer A. Feed for livestock. Question 45. the securities are held in electronic form instead by physical form by option A. Mutual funds. Option B. Registrars. Option C. Custodians. Option D. Depositories. Answer D. Depositories. Question 46. A firm discounts its export receivables of up to 5 years without recourse to the exporter under which of the following arrangement? Option A. Forfeiting. Option B. Factoring. Option C. Bills discounting. Option D. Foreign bills discounting. Answer A. Forfeiting. Question 47. Which of the following is not true about push strategy of promotion mix? Option A. Promotion efforts are directed at the channel member. Option B. It is done through personal selling and trade promotion. Option C. Promotion efforts are directed towards the final consumer. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Promotion efforts are directed towards the final consumer. Question 48. Based on geographical area, markets can be grouped into option A. Real estate market. Option B. Regional market. Option C. Retail loan market. Option D. Wholesale market. Answer B. Regional market. Question 49. In respect of regional rural banks, the shareholding pattern is option A. Central government 50%, state government 35%, sponsoring bank 15%. Option B. Central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsoring bank 35%. Option C. Central government 15%, state government 35%, sponsoring bank 50%. Option D. Central government 35%, state government 50%, sponsoring bank 15%. Answer B. Central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsoring bank 35%. Question 50. Which can be crossed by the drawer? Option A. A promissory note. Option B. A bill of exchange. Option C. A check. Option D. All the above. Answer C. A check. Question 51. In 1969, major banks were nationalized. Option A. 12. Option B. 14. Option C. 17. Option D. 19. Answer B. 14. Question 52. Low price and high promotional spending is likely to succeed in markets. Option A. Large. Option B. Small. Option C. International. Option D. Local. Answer A. Large. Question 53. Launching the financial inclusion scheme in one district and later extending it to other districts is an example of option A. Idea screening. Option B. Commercial launch. Option C. Product development. Option D. Concept testing. Answer C. Product development. Question 54. Based on volume of transaction, markets can be grouped into option A. Real estate market. Option B. Retail market. Option C. Cash/spot market. Option D. Commodity market. Answer B. Retail market. Question 55. There is a joint account in the names of A and B to be operated upon by both of them jointly. On death of A, the credit balance in the account is payable to option AB. Option B and legal heirs of A jointly. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. None of these. Answer B and legal heirs of A jointly. Question 56, which of the following is not true in respect of minor? Option: A minor can't be sued for recovery of any money lent except for meeting the necessaries of his/her life. Option: B. A minor can draw, endorse, and negotiate a check binding all other parties except himself. Option C. If a minor misrepresents his age, he is liable for his contracts. Option D. A minor cannot ratify the contracts on his attaining majority. Answer C. If a minor misrepresents his age, he is liable for his contracts. Question 57, when a check is crossed as not negotiable, who doesn't come in the picture at all? Option A. Holder. Option B. Holder in due course. Option C. Payee. Option D. Drawer. Answer B. Holder in due course. Question 58, threats of physical damage to the hardware is from? Option A. Natural calamities. Option B. Power fluctuations. Option C. Electromagnetic effects. Option D. All of these. Answer A. Natural calamities. Question 59, if garnishee order is in a single name, and the account is in joint names with operating clause either or survivor, the money in the account. Option A. Can be attached. Option B. Can't be attached. Option C. Can be attached if ordered so by the court. Option D. None of these. Answer B. Can't be attached. Question 60, the network interface card of LAN is related to following layer of OSI model transport. Option A. Network. Option B. Data link. Option C. Physical. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Physical. Question 61, one of the objective of quality improvement is? Option A. Product's versatility. Option B. Aesthetic appeal. Option C. Durability. Option D. Convenience. Answer C. Durability. Question 62, which is not a major reason for product elimination? Option A. Excessive administration expenditure and time. Option B. Sales keep declining continuously and there is no possibility of increasing sales. Option C. Profits keep declining continuously and there is no possibility of improving profits. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 63, a result of a computer virus cannot lead to? Option A. Disk crash. Option B. Motherboard crash. Option C. Corruption of program. Option D. Deletion of files. Answer B. Motherboard crash. Question 64, a company which pools money from investors and invests in stocks, bonds, shares is called? Option A. A bank. Option B. An insurance company. Option C. Bancassurance. Option D. Mutual fund. Answer D. Mutual fund. Question 65, bancassurance is? Option A. An insurance scheme to insure bank deposits. Option B. An insurance scheme to insure bank advances. Option C. A composite financial service offering both bank and insurance products. Option D. A bank deposit scheme exclusively for employees of insurance companies. Answer C. A composite financial service offering both bank and insurance products. Question 66, limitation period for filing a suit for foreclosure is? Years from the date mortgage debt becomes due. Option A. 10 years. Option B. 12 years. Option C. 20 years. Option D. 30 years. Answer. D. 30 years. Question 67, max period of imprisonment for offenses under PML Act can be. Option A. 2 to 3 years. Option B. 3 to 5 years. Option C. 3 to 7 years. Option D. 5 to 7 years. Answer. D. 5 to 7 years. Question 68, a document executed in India shall be stamped. The time of execution. Option A. Before. Option B. After. Option C. At. Option D. Either A or C. Answer. D. Either A or C. Question 69, under PMRY, the project cost for the business services sector is restricted to. Option A. 2 lakhs. Option B. 5 lakhs. Option C. 6 lakhs. Option D. 10 lakhs. Answer. A. 2 lakhs. Question 70. Covers both strategic planning for the long-term marketing direction of the firm, and marketing programs and tactics to be used to support the strategic plans. Option A. Analysis. Option B. Planning. Option C. Implementation. Option D. Control. Answer. B. Planning. Question 71, the Imperial Bank of India was converted into State Bank of India in. Option A. 1947. Option B. 1955. Option C. 1967. Option D. 1969. Answer. B. 1955. Question 72, which is not defined in NI Act. Option A. Special crossing. Option B. A/C payee. Option C. General crossing. Option D. None of the above. Answer. B. A/C payee. Question 73. Covers both strategic planning for the long-term marketing direction of the firm, and marketing programs and tactics to be used to support the strategic plans. Option A. Analysis. Option B. Planning. Option C. Implementation. Option D. Control. Answer. B. Planning. Question 74, during mortgage, normally EC is asked for. Years. Option A. 10 years. Option B. 13 years. Option C. 20 years. Option D. 30 years. Answer. B. 13 years. Question 75, 1 rupee note bears the signatures of. Option A. Governor RBI. Option B. SECI Ministry of Finance. Option C. Prime Minister of India. Option D. Finance Minister. Answer. B. SECI Ministry of Finance. Question 76, as per Section 45, ZA, of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Option A. Nomination facility has been granted for bank deposits. Option B. Guidelines have been laid down for election of chairman and managing directors of the banks. Option C. Guidelines have been given for providing working capital to big units. Option D. Nomination facility is available for locker accounts. Answer. A. Nomination facility has been granted for bank deposits. Question 77, the Imperial Bank of India was converted into State Bank of India in. Option A. 1947. Option B. 1955. Option C. 1967. Option D. 1969. Answer. B. 1955. Question 78, The report on harmonization of role of FIS and banks relating to universal banking was given by option A. M.S. Varma, option B. R.H. Khan, option C. B.D. Shah, option D. K.S. Shayer. Answer B. R.H. Khan. Question 79. When color TVs were introduced in India for the first time, the manufacturers priced them very high. After the initial enthusiasm waned, they reduced the price. This type of pricing is called option A. Price skimming, option B. Market skimming, option C. Exploitation pricing, option D. A and C. Answer B. Market skimming. Question 80. Which section as per the RBI's clean note policy, writing on a currency note is option A. An offense, option B. A crime, option C. A punishable offense, option D. The notes become non-legal tender. Answer C. A punishable offense. Question 81. XPI is set up on the recommendations of which committee? Option A. SS Tarapur Committee, option B. DRC. Rangarajan Committee, option C. Vijay Kelkar Committee, option D. Montek Singh Ahluwalia Committee. Answer A. SS Tarapur Committee. Question 82. The second pillar under Basel II is option A. Market discipline, option B. Disclosure norms, option C. Minimum capital requirement, option D. Supervisory review. Answer D. Supervisory review. Question 83. Based on nature of transaction, markets can be grouped into option A. Real estate market, option B. Regional market, option C. Cash/spot market, option D. Wholesale market. Answer C. Cash/spot market. Question 84. A Banking Regulation Act, 1949 provides nomination for payment of depositors' money. Option A. Section 42. Option B. Section 24. Option C. Section 110A. Option D. Section 45ZA. Answer D. Section 45ZA. Question 85. Focus of a marketing exercise is option A. Goods and services, option B. Market demand, option C. Consumers and their requirements, option D. Sale of product. Answer C. Consumers and their requirements. Question 86. A check is presented for payment through clearinghouse, but due to certain reasons, it is returned unpaid. The returning memo is enclosed to comply with option A. Negotiable Instruments Act, option B. RBI Act, option C. Banking Regulations Act, option D. RBI Clearinghouse Rules. Answer D. RBI Clearinghouse Rules. Question 87. Urban cooperative banks are controlled by option A. Central government and NABARD, option B. RBI and NABARD, option C. State government and NABARD, option D. State government and RBI. Answer D. State government and RBI. Question 88. Though Pizza Huts are located in posh, air-conditioned premises, they continue call themselves as Pizza Huts. This is to take advantage of option A. Local sentiment of wanting to eat in huts, option B. Brand value, option C. Brand recognition, option D. Brand extension. Answer C. Brand recognition. Question 89. which is not one of a main stage in the process of product development.